All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Jerry. Welcome again once more to my project. And today I'm creating a Tic Tac Toe project in Python using the Tkinter module. This is actually my first time of learning Python. I've not really used much of the data structures in Python before, so this is my first time of using Python, I should say. And basically, this is an advanced tic-tac-toe game where it has two players and scores are being recorded. There's a reset button and there's a new game button. So I'm just first of all going to go ahead and introduce you guys, walk you through my code. You know, so as you can see here, I imported a Tinker dot message bot because there's a pop-up message each time the game is over, and I imported the Kinta module. Here I create my game layout. I kind of build everything because it's a Windows console. It's not like I'm building it in an app or a web-based app or an Android or an iPhone app or iOS app. So pretty much it's a Windows console game, so I have to build everything from scratch. So this is my top frame, my label title. As you can see, the code in there. To create my main frame, the subdivision of the main frame. There is left, there is right, main frame. I initiated my the player X and player O. My buttons was initiated. This is a checker function. The checker function checks if the button X or the button O is true or false. Okay, and it calls the scorekeeper function as well. So this is my scorekeeper function, and in my scorekeeper function, there are different possibilities that are included in this function. There's a vertical win where we have all the symbols are aligned vertically or they are aligned horizontally. Okay, so pretty much I think the fact that I was able to create this game from scratch, an advanced tic-tac-toe game, is pretty much an amazing job to me. I must say, I should be really proud of myself. So, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and really scroll down to the bottom of my code, and then I'll go ahead and run the code really fast. So this function is my reset function. By default, everything is set to zero. When the reset button is clicked, and in here is my buttons, how I created all my buttons on each game. So there's 9 different grids. So for all those buttons and dimension, I created it all by myself. All right, guys, let's just go ahead, dive right into it and run the code. So I just hit the run button. The code should be running. And as you can see, guys, this is my advanced tic-tac-toe game. I'm just going to go ahead and try to play this. Uh, so there you go. This one right there, and that's right there. And boom, player X just won this game. Just going to click on OK, click on reset. And now let's make player O win this game. So we have no O. And there, no right there. I'm just playing this by myself, so I'm just playing player O and player X all by myself. So yeah, that's right there. And boom, we have player O winning the game as well. So as you can see, the scoreboard is 1-1. They can keep on playing by clicking the reset, or they can just go to a new game and then everything is add up match to zero. So guys, this is the length and breadth of my code. This is the length and breadth of my project. It's a basic tic-tac-toe game in Python using the Tkinter module. Okay, one thing I really liked about or I learned in this project or implementing this Kinta module that Python has is the fact that it makes everything so easy. It make the graphics, the GUI graphics so easy. Uh, various functions in Python's and the various command lines are easy to understand and easy to implement. That is something new that I've learned, as compared to my other C++ class, I wouldn't say much of it. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching my video and hope to see you next time.